Hey, hey people, as always, this young man is so playful, so it's so difficult to get anything done when he's like this. But okay, now, Ayush, uh, can you give me some simple breakfast ideas that you've been eating?
That's boring. I quit.
It's boring, I quit, I believe, but that's my little brat. And people, that's what considering, like, I do book reviews for so many other authors, I just realized that my own book, which is called When a Lawyer Walks Down the Aisle, and you can find it on Amazon. Basically, this book is it was written when I was expecting this tiny little brat, so you can imagine the kind of, I don't know, he's hiding right behind me. But that's him. That's him. So, so really, as usual, we are not getting anything done in this video, but we will catch you. Okay, but he wants to say something.
You have to play Roblox, okay? Play Roblox. It is a very good game and also teaches you coding.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, Roblox it is. So again, so thanks people. Thanks for tuning in. And please subscribe.